stuff. Hey.
Making crafts?
Yeah.
He's being silly.
I need to add a shape. And I want and that one. I'm a good job.
You did a good job.
Now I need something.
That one's stuck already. Remember?
Was. Not anymore.
I want something for the jar.
From the jar?
I want. Something. Ah, I found something.
Well, that's good. What'd you find? Oh, I don't think we need those. Got lots of shapes. Hey, have that back, please?
No.
Hey.
Where's the blue?
Enough of that, please.